Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the two topics, that is blind speed and delay line canceller. Let's start with the first topic, that is blind speed. Now the question is what do you mean by the blind speed in terms of radar? The radar blind speed is the speed at which the target will not be visible to the radar. This speed can be calculated based on the frequency or wavelength of the wave and the pulse repetition time. Now, come on to the second topic, that is delay line canceller. What is delay line canceller? A delay line canceller is a device frequently employed for extracting Doppler information suitable for display on the PPI scope is known as delay line canceller. It cuts the echoes from stationary objects and pass the echoes from moving object. Now the delay line canceller is further divided into two parts, that is first part is single delay line canceller. As you all are showing in your screen, the first figure is for single line delay canceller. The figure shows the block diagram of a simple receiver which use delay line canceller. This type of arrangement is known as single delay line canceller. In this, one receiving antenna is there and the amplifier, delay line canceller, subtractor circuitry, full wave rectifier and the output signal. Now let's see about the working of this single delay line canceller. The subtractor input are connected in such a manner that the first pulse reaches with one delay at input 1 and at the same time the second pulse reaches directly at the input 2 and gets subtracted if the echo is due to stationary object, and then its position, angle and amplitude will remain same, and the echo is due to moving target. Then due to change in angle and amplitude of echo of current pulse with preceding pulse, it gets detected. Right. The first pulse here the bipolar signal is given to the delay line canceller and one signal is given to the subtractor circuitry. After passing to the full wave rectifier, we get a unipolar signal to the indicator and the required pulse is indicated. Now come to the second part, that is double delay line canceller. As it is showing in the figure itself, the two cancellers are used, that is first canceller and the second canceller. It is clearly shown in the figure that the output of the first canceller is given to as the input of the second canceller with the help of a summer. The output of first delay line canceller work as the input of a second canceller. The output of two delay line canceller is cascade in just a square of that form of single canceller, and so the frequency response is 4 sine square pi f d t. 4 sine square pi f d t. The response of double line canceller is quite fine than single line delay canceller because it provides an additional cancellation of clutter. In short, this double delay line canceller is much beneficial than the single delay line canceller because it provides the additional cancellation of clutter as compared to the single delay line canceller. I hope these two topics, that is blind speed and the delay line canceller, is clear to you all. Thank you for watching this video.